Good day. My name is Diana Carolina Murillo Garzón. I am computer engineering student in the 10th semester. This is the final support of the academic space of software development. Game development. For the development of this academic space as an individual racing competition game was requested. The development environment used for 3D modeling and application development is the Scratch environment, which is in the development tool created by the MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology that is especially designed to facilitate the interaction of people with programming and realization of interactive games and animations is managed through a block programming environment and addressing environment. This is a database that was designed for the entire execution of the game, in which is a user can fulfill several roles, since it can either a participant user of the judge. Likewise, depending on the activity in which the user is, you will be able to execute any activity, including the one of the second that was development is a running player or other activities. The result of the activity will also be saved in this table. Installation manual. Next, I will show the installation and user manual of the program development. Begin an online game, it does need prior installation. You can see it by entering following link. Player controls. See the ways scrolling with the left and right keyboard arrows. Jump and crouch movement with arrow down and jump with arrow up. Pause game, press space key. The game starts automatically. Demonstration. Start game. When start game, the start animation is displayed and the game starts automatically. The counter, the counter starts counting the meters traveled, and the runner allows different movements such as up, down, and see the way. The animation of the background that might some change. This is the gaming process in advance. I apologize to the teacher because it is not finished. It's the inconvenience that I had a development of the academic semester since my computer was damaged approximately 2 months ago, and due to economic factors due to the pandemic, I have not been able to fix it. This gave an end game screen. Press space to play game. Thanks for watching.